The I-Luminate feature brightens up the entire screen, and what that brightness gets you is better conspicuity for small objects. So if I look at things like the calcifications or the tissue that's in a chest x-ray in the lung, all of this is easier to see when it's brighter. So if I turn on the I-Luminate feature, then these calcifications are easier to see. And the increased luminance makes objects the size of calcifications as much as 30% more conspicuous on a Coronis Unity. So the I-Luminate feature makes things more conspicuous. This can also be activated with a control key. So Control-Alt-I is the default, and that will brighten it up. And you can toggle that on and off without having to reach up to the display. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.